Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create 3D text on Blender 5.0. It's simple to do, but I'll give you some useful tips. So let's get started right away. First, press Shift-A to add the text. Now go into edit mode by pressing Tab, or in the top left where it says Object Mode. And here we will edit the text by writing what we want. After writing the text you prefer, go back to Object Mode. And at this point on the viewpoint, at the top right, press on the X-axis. And now select the text and press R to rotate it. Then type 90 on the keyboard, since in this case, I rotate 90 degrees and press Enter. At this point, we have the rotated text, but it is not three-dimensional. So we go to Object Data Properties, which we find here on the right with the green symbol. Let's go to Geometry and Extrude. Here you can also find other settings for your text. In this case, I will increase the depth a little to have the edges a little more rounded. Now, in my opinion, it can already be fine, but maybe you don't like this font. So to change it is simple. Go to Font, then press the first folder, and here choose your font, as I do in the video. Okay, at this point, you could also stop here, assign a material to the object, and go. But if, for example, you want to assign different materials to the letters or animate the individual letters or something else, select the text and do Convert to Mesh. Going into wireframe mode, you can notice that the topology of our mesh is very bad. Well, to fix this is very simple. Select the text and go to the bottom right to the modifier properties. Add a new modifier, specifically, add a remesh. Here, select Sharp and uncheck the Remove Disconstant option. Then increase the depth until we see our text in sufficient detail. At this point, press the arrow and click Apply. You don't necessarily have to change the topology, but I recommend it because it can be useful. To separate one letter from another, select the text, go into Edit Mode, set X-ray mode to the top right to make the object transparent, and select the letter you want to split, then press P and choose Selection. Now your letter is separated from the text, and you can do whatever you want with it, scale, rotate, etc. When I zoom in, I notice that my letter is quite angular. To fix it, I select it and then right-click and press Shade Smooth. Now we're done. You can take and assign any material to your text or the letters you've separated. Now I'll go ahead and modify the text a bit. I hope you understood everything. To set the origin of the object in the middle of its geometry, simply select the object, right-click, and select Set Origin to the geometry. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. If you didn't understand something, please comment. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and follow the page. Thanks, and see you next time.